In this video, I will show you how to receive money on Wise from PayPal. So simply log into your Wise account, and after that you have to get your Wise account details. Simply you have to go to settings, and now here you have to find your bank account details. So like here you can see my bank account details here. So just after that, now in order to receive the payment you have to link your Wise account to your PayPal account. So get your account details here, and after that go to PayPal. If you don't have a PayPal account, simply create your PayPal account, and after that log into your PayPal account, and now click on wallet option. So here you can see link a card at bank. Simply click here. Now here you can see link a bank account. So now if your Wise account is verified and you have all the details, simply click here, and now here search for your relevant bank and select your bank, and after that you will be able to receive money on Wise from PayPal.